Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying you have the exact one. 21. For build. That matters because file checks differ between patches. Once confirmed, backup saves and config, make a dated folder and keep a second copy offsite. Next, temporarily disable Cloud Sync and antivirus to prevent automatic repairs or quarantines. This lets you replace files cleanly. After that, prepare the mod package in a single folder and ensure you have admin rights. Because you extract the String Duper package into a temporary folder and verify checksums against the included manifest. This step prevents corrupted installs. Once done, launch the file replace process. Elevate to admin, then copy only the designated files into the game directory, making sure not to overwrite unrelated plugins. As you copy, watch for prompts. Choose to replace if sizes and dates match the manifest. After files are in place, run the provided install script or executable to register components with the game. You finish by launching the game in a clean session to test the String Duper. Look for expected behavior and no new errors. If it works, re-enable Cloud Sync and monitor saves for a few sessions. If something fails, revert immediately using your dated backup and inspect install logs for file mismatches or permission errors. Those tell you why. Make a short patch log with timestamps and notes. That saves time on future updates and makes recovery predictable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.